Everyone, and welcome to the first official vlog of 2023 and a very happy new year to all the viewers out there. As you guys will have seen at the beginning of the vlog, we landed a number of aftermarket accessories and spares for various customers, and if you are a frequent viewer of the channel, you will have also seen the parts that we have imported for both my Prelude as well as Robin's Jazz. And for some reason the BMW has been the only vehicle that I haven't touched yet, so one of those parcels that you will have seen in the beginning actually has a spoiler which I have landed for the BM. But in today's vlog I'm actually going to be doing some maintenance as the windscreen washer pump has actually failed, and we are planning to go on a long road trip, and before we hit the long road I actually want to replace that pump, because I do not want to have any visibility issues with the number of bug smears that I know we are going to experience over that distance. So let me just flip my camera, show you guys what this replacement pump looks like as well as the brand, and then we will get to a quick DIY replacement and hopefully you guys will enjoy. So over here we've got that replacement washer fluid pump. It's branded Euro parts. If anybody does need a replacement for the E60 BMW, that's the part number over there. But yeah, if you guys are also looking for any other accessories and spares, then do hit us up so that we can see how we can best assist you guys with all those aftermarket spares and accessories for your vehicles. So getting to this DIY replacement of that washer fluid pump, you need to remove your fender line on the passenger side, and you've got a number of these little bolts holding the fender line in place. So let me just get to removing that, and then we can access the washer fluid reservoir and remove that faulty pump as well as the connector plug. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've just exposed the washer fluid reservoir, and that is the faulty pump over there. I just need to disconnect the connector plug and then pull the pump out, and then get the replacement one with the O-ring and then pop that into place, plug in the connector, and then we should be good to go. Alright, so as you guys can see, I've removed the pump, faulty one, and disconnected the connector plug, and at the moment the reservoir is just draining all of water. So do bear that in mind, guys, when you are doing this replacement, that if your reservoir is full, it is going to drain, and yeah, don't get yourselves in the way and get wet with all this water. And just as another tip or a little bit of information, you will have this clip which is connected onto this pipe this way, and it just snaps into place, and so the funnel in the pump actually siphons the water through, or at least pushes the water through to the nozzles, clips into there. So you'll have to remove the clip, and then you'll be able to pull that pump out. Okay, so I've just done a side-by-side comparison. As you guys can see, the replacement pump over here is actually a lot smaller than the one that I just took out, which is this one over here. And then I remembered that the E60 actually comes with both the headlight washers as well as the windscreen washer. So this pump that I've just removed is actually the one for the headlights, and then this one would be the one for the windscreen. So I need to just dig in a little bit deeper. Hopefully you guys can see there's that pump over there. It's just not focusing properly at the moment, but yeah, that's the correct one. So let me just get to taking that one out as well, and then I can do the replacement, and hopefully everything will be working smoothly once I put all the pumps back in. And yeah, I've got both pumps next to each other. As you can see, this looks a lot better. They are very similar to each other. This one is the new one. So obviously if I turn it this way, then you'll see. Just need to take this nipple off from the old one, put it onto the new one, and then connect to the hose which is over here, and put both pumps back in, and then we will do a test run. So I've just finished up. I've got both pumps replaced. Just a reminder to not forget about that clip, or you're going to have that pressure hose shooting off when you guys are trying to use your headlight washers. Moment of truth. Alright, and we've got water back on the windscreen. Final check is to make sure that the headlight washers are also working, and for that you need to make sure that your headlight switch is on, and yeah, I would suggest starting your vehicle as well. And as you can see, we've got some soapy water on the headlight. I'm sure it will be the same on the other side. So that pump and those washer nozzles are good to go.
The next morning.